Is your Bluetooth on, but your Apple Watch won't connect with your iPhone? This usually happens because of pairing glitches, outdated software, or settings issues. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the Apple Watch Bluetooth not connecting with iPhone issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Unpair and pair. First, grab your iPhone, open the Settings app, tap Bluetooth. Now simply toggle it off. Then turn it back on. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. It will reset your Apple Watch settings. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. And this is how you can solve the Apple Watch Bluetooth not connecting with iPhone issue. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.